Welcome everybody to the Sin Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we're taking a look at the Cayuen Workshop Shave Bowls. I've got a medium and a large bowl to compare in today's video. I'm going to show you why I think this is one of the best shave bowls that you can possibly buy. These shave bowls have an awesome raised spiral design in the bowl that helps create a nice lather very fast. They're also made of a hard epoxy-like material that's going to give them durability and long life. Now they do have cool colors, but those colors change all the time. So if you see a bowl that you like, you better get it before it sells out. $75 for this medium-sized bowl and $85 for this large bowl. Now that may or may not be a hard pill for most of you guys to swallow, but I do believe these are worth that price. One downside to ordering these shave bowls is there is a very long shipping wait. I ordered this bowl recently and it took almost a month for the bowl to get here. I've reached out to the company a few times with no answer. So it is a legitimate company. You will get your product, but it won't be like next day or next week. It may be a while and you may be left in the dark and then your bowl will just show up. So I still think that this is worth it because, like I said, these are awesome looking. They feel very nice in the hand, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at both of them right now. First up is this small sized bowl. I actually really like this. It's kind of got a nice personal feel. As you can see, it is a little deeper than the large bowl, but it's also not as wide. Now this will hold quite a bit of lather, and it's got that ring all the way around the top like a lip to keep that lather inside. It also sits very comfortably in the hand. We're going to be whipping up some lather today, and that's going to come from Ariana and Evan's newest vegan shave soap base. That's going to be coming out in early 2024, I believe, but don't hold me to that. We're going to set that soap to the side and let it bloom up, and let's take a look at this large bowl. Now this one is obviously a lot more shallow and a lot wider than that smaller bowl. It still fits in the hand, but it's not as comfortable as that small bowl. But really guys, this comes down to personal preference. I think these bowls are definitely worth the price point that they have. The $75 for that small bowl and the $85 for the large bowl. These guys both work great. They feel nice in the hand, but like I said, it just comes down to what works best for you, your own personal preference. If you own or tried any one of these shave bowls, let people know what you think of them and your experience with this brand in the comments down below. Help everyone make a great buying decision out there. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next adventure, and peace.